various issues were discussed as to how to improve the overall road safety and see that there are less accidents. Over the last data for last 2 years, various action being taken against the black spots, against accident-prone areas by various line departments. It has resulted also in 17% decrease in number of accidents. Of recent, you have seen accidents have been taking place as with lot of rent-a-car operating on the roads. We have decided to launch a drive and see that all of them have speed governors. All of them comply with the rules under Motor Vehicle Act, and whether the license terms under which rent-a-car vehicles were given licenses, whether they are adhering to that. We are going to be very strict. I have asked the department to take action. The second action that is to follow is against tinted glasses. As we are seeing more and more roads with tinted cars with tinted glasses on our roads, action and a drive is going to be launched on that as well, so that we have less accidents on the road and people drive responsibly. 26 location cameras are ready for 26 location, but what I have advised the department is we were supposed to launch these 26 AI based cameras on 16th of this month. I have advised the department that we will launch it from 1st of July. Meanwhile, from 16th or from today onwards till the 1st of July, we should have a campaign educating the public. Suddenly the public should not feel, oh, cameras have come, we will be booked, we will have so many fines to pay. So all this is being done in a systematic manner. I have also told them that we have to comply with Supreme Court guidelines which are there as far as traffic regulation is concerned, as far as removing those hindrances which allow smooth flow of traffic. Like for example, roadside whatever people have built illegally has to be removed. These are Supreme Court guidelines. Again, it has come to us. We have to file a compliance report. So we are going to write this particular thing to the respective chief officers, hold meetings, as well as meet people in the panchayats as well. Okay. So that people are aware that this have to be complied.
So what action is taken on drink and driving cases have been increased also with the accident. So that also happens on the road.
See, ultimately, whatever action we take, it is sometimes not sufficient unless the public themselves reform. We are taking action. We will continue taking action strictly. But at the same time, the public also have to cooperate and see that they don't put their own life at risk and put at risk other people's life. This they have to also ensure. So it has to be from both sides. So but from our side, I think it is a known fact that after merely 2 cameras or 3 cameras are installed along Donapal Road from Goa Medical College near University and right up till Raj Bhavan, you see people are driving slowly and responsibly. There used to be so many cases of over-speeding, accidents that has almost become negligible now. I expect the same thing to happen in whole of Goa. But at the same time, I want to make people aware of it. अशें म्हणपा नाका सडनली इतले कॅमेरा गायले आमकां फायन येता, कित्याक फायन्स विल कम डायरेक्टली होम, घरा फायन येतले. So ते systematically जावचें म्हणून तशें.
So the cameras will be on main junctions or main roads or interior?
We will be announcing the location. It will be publicly announced. We have selected all the locations very carefully. The whole emphasis is to try and use technology for better management of traffic.
Some of the key decisions which I would say were very important from the consumer point of view is that we have said that there has to be a massive awareness campaign before the camera-enabled traffic signals are implemented in the state of Goa. We were happy to have the Center of Excellence on Road Safety from Chennai today to show the Road Safety Council how technology can be used. So technology is not only about use of cameras, but other aspects. Then there was a very important review of what can be done in terms of awareness on road safety and how the education department can be involved. Also, timeline has been fixed now for the rollout on the trauma care and compensation related to accidents. And what is important is that the council has also looked at the judicial use of funds which are available, and more importantly the issue of public transport was highlighted, that we need to have better compliance from Kadamba Transport Corporation in terms of their operations. Furthermore, the discussions also focused a lot about following up on the fatal accidents that have taken place. Where are these cases reached? And there has to be more visible deterrence. So many people feel that action is not being taken because action taken is not reported.
Yeah.
So the council has agreed to have some subcommittees formed to go in more detail in terms of the decisions taken today's council, and we are looking at the tourism department also playing a bigger role in terms of road safety, because of the quantum of tourists who are using rent a car, rent a cab, rent a bike services. Essentially, the council also has looked at activating the traffic warden scheme in terms of traffic warden and the road safety patrol. These are schemes of the traffic police should be taken forward. So all in all, I think the council meeting will also move forward because of the workshop that is also going to be held tomorrow with the resource team of the Center of Excellence on road safety.
So the guidelines, Supreme Court guidelines, they are along the shoulder of the road, the shops and all of this. So
yes,
is
so
that point that come?
This judgment was looked at, and we have requested that a special orientation session be done for panchayat secretaries, BDOs and chief officers, so that they understand the implications of the judgment and what is the the rollout process that will happen in terms of necessarily having a district level squad for removal of those encroachments. So that has also been tasked to the Director of Transport to take ahead in the next 1 month.
So what about the AI cameras they said for
So
the
as I said, the AI cameras, what we have proposed is that the trial run should be done. Public should be well made aware of what are the offences that will be booked, how they operate, and that is why the rollout date has been extended